Hello guys, welcome again Learn Basics. This is Vish. So today's topic is the task managers. Yes, I'm going to talk about the task manager. It's a simple function of Windows, but it is very useful guys. Sometimes what happens, we open some programs which is stuck into the computer. Neither we can operate them, neither we can close them. The things are stuck on the computer. So in such cases, task manager is very useful to close that program. So in today's video, I'll tell you 4 different ways to open the task manager and how we can end a particular program in task manager. So don't go anywhere, keep watching this video. So let's start the video and I'll give you 4 different ways to open the task manager. So first method, move your cursor in a taskbar. As you can see, the taskbar is given here. Okay, and click right button. And now you have an option here, a task manager. So when you will click this, the task manager will open. Okay. Second, press Control Alt and Delete together. Okay, and now you have an option of task manager. Click on task manager and your task manager will open. Third, in search box you can write the task manager. Okay, suppose if I write task manager, as you can see it is showing here task manager. Now I can open the task manager. And the fourth one is press Control Shift and Escape button and your task manager will open. So these are the 4 ways through that you can task manager. If one method will not work, suppose, so you have another 3 options to open the task manager. One more thing we will see on task manager. Suppose if you wanted to close any particular program, so how will we do that? Simply choose your program. Suppose we wanted to close this Google Chrome. Okay, so select the particular program. I am selecting here Google Chrome. Okay, and after that press right button. So you have an option here and task. So when you will press and task, your particular program will close. Okay. So I'm sure guys today's video would help you to understand that how you can open the task manager and how you can close the particular program which is stuck during your computer operation. So don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, keep watching, keep learning. We'll meet again with another interesting video. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.